Hi, I'm Nick.
And I'm Elise. We've been searching for a new foundation because it's time for an upgrade. We discovered the GhostBed All-in-One Foundation. It has thousands of positive reviews.
Everyone is saying it's sturdy and easy to assemble. Plus, the storage underneath is a bonus.
And here it is delivered right to our doorstep.
Let's get this foundation inside and set up.
Yeah.
We just received our GhostBed All-in-One Foundation and we're excited to set it up.
The setup was incredibly easy, no tools needed.
It's very sturdy and no noise at all. Plus, look at all this space. There's 12 inches of underbed storage.
The all-in-one replaces both a box spring and a separate foundation, making it super convenient.
Now let's see how it feels.
Watch how we transform our bedroom in just 15 minutes with GhostBed's All-in-One Foundation.
Looking for a sturdy, easy to assemble bed frame? We'll see why we love our GhostBed All-in-One Foundation.
Need extra storage and a perfect sleep?
Discover the life-changing GhostBed All-in-One Foundation. We've been using the GhostBed All-in-One Foundation for a while now and we absolutely love it.
It's solid and provides great support. Plus, the extra storage space is a game changer. Our bedroom looks so much more finished.
Yeah, we've already loved our GhostBed mattress, but adding the foundation was life-changing. It makes our mattress so much more supportive and comfy.
If you're debating whether to get it, just do it. We definitely recommend it.